Boy, when him spotlight, come like you know, say we left him brain on a class top light. Dead before watch night, you know, what you do? Mix up man in a domestic dispute. Let me tell you this, man.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, on our way to.
Welcome back, my unstoppable family, and welcome all the new viewers. First of all, let me say happy new year to you and you. Happy and blessed 2021 to everybody out there. So me have a question for you, ask you. You really didn't think, say, the drama, the saga, the controversy did that go stay over 2020 and not come over in a 2021? Well, sorry to tell you, you are wrong. Yeah, wrong. The drama, the saga, the controversy, all of that are come over in a 2021. Let me tell you now what go on. So you know Spotlight, Macka X, right? Well, some of you may know him and a lot of you probably don't know him. But yes, Spotlight is Macka X, and since them breakup, Spotlight has been trying him hardest for either this Macka or tear down Macka or we don't know why much try to do, but the man have put out all kind of dirt for Macka. All of them pillow talk, all of them bedroom talk, all of them private conversations, Spotlight have put it out there in the name of exposing her, him say. Well, all Dan Mafia name get dry in it. Yes, people. And Dan Mafia say, wait them man. Dan Mafia lick me and him say unstoppable. I want to the brother the name Spotlight. Or I'm call up my name so like him a try draw me in a them domestic dispute. I mean in a that in a unstoppable. So me I gotta address it, my boss. Yeah, so Dan Mafia give me a video and say, yo, this is my address to Spotlight. But before me even play the video where Dan Mafia want to hear, here what go on. Dan Mafia have a tune for bring in the new year. Me not tell you no lie, it bad. I feel like me wouldn't do the song justice if me not give you a little sneak peek of it before me go into the drama. Right? So here, check out that little snippet here.
Now that we've been through one whole year of stress and sufferation, we are pray for the world be a better place in a 2021. No war, no force, no confusion, no fight, no contention. Every dance all artists believe as one go tell Spice, we pay the obia man.
When we say song catchy, that song right there so catchy, easy for catch, easy for sing along. If you want to hear the whole track, you know, you can click the link where I go in the description and go over Dan Mafia YouTube page and go listen to the whole song. And when you go over there, leave a little comment in the comment section and say Unstoppable TV, send me over here. Zane only can do that for me. Alright? Now, make we get to Dan Mafia's address to Spotlight. But as a matter of fact, you know something, let me give you a little insight. Make you hear what really prompted Dan Mafia to even address Spotlight. This is what Spotlight did say about Dan Mafia.
Macka remember say me dead. Me dead one time. Y'all tell me oh Dan Mafia, all when your bar tune look like. When the first time when you invite me in your yard and I see your bar tune, and I say yo, your bar tune stay so. Who you blame? Who you blame? The Dan Mafia you blame. And when the kitchen look how we and the food from all a week ago, no Dan Mafia you blame.
And then Dan Mafia, Gringo, had this to say.
Boy, when him Spotlight, come like you know, say we left him brain on a bomber class top light. Dead before watch night, you know, what you do? Mix up man in a domestic dispute. Let me tell you this, man, yo. Don't come talk up a bag of thing where you don't know, man. You talk about Macka, and me save her life so you could have come get her, you know. Remember me tell you, know. And you can't mix up me and Macka, because Macka is my sister. I have no business what Macka say about me or never say. But now I war with Macka. Macka is my real friend. Me and Macka a real party. I don't sleep in a couch over Macka. In a Macka big bed, I lie down side her. Macka change all her clothes with me in her room and no business. I'm my sister that. You see what I say? Me and her par. See? And no man can come talk some bag of thing like they want. I start diss up my friend and start feel like I want to style up my friend. See, come back say, Spotlight, you're the youth when I know I never have nothing with you in a music, you know. And I know you as a youth when I treat you your thing. And me, write the song when you improve it and make your Macka do it. I must say, I make go to ice cream shop and buy ice cream idea. And tell them, say, take a picture with it and put it out there and make the thing run off. So you say, if you're in a domestic dispute, king, I don't know about anything. You understand? But I never would I get involved in that because I'm not a family counselor, I'm not a married officer. You see me? So how you come and call up my name in a mix up now? And the woman left my youth, you don't need to walk and talk about the woman. You don't see reason. You see me? Anything I want tell a man when them a deal and then a man come back and leak out or come put on that or make up story. You don't look good, brother. Mama man behavior. So I say right you know, you and your man have a difference, brother, and it just work out in a thing. This thing don't need to be all about over on social media and I try put her down and it's like you want me to take side with you. Macka, I'm a star friend for a long time too. I don't know. You understand? And Macka roll like family. And Macka can't talk nothing bad about me. And Macka know the truth. I mean bring her back to life. One night time when she had dead, so that's you could have come meet her. You understand me, brother? So, if you don't know how deep you link, be nobody will over talking, because you and Macka left, I'm in no business with that. I say I'm no married officer, I'm no family counselor. I know I'm to come mix me up. If a lyrics were I deal, you just say war then in a lyrics, brother, and then I know say a bomb if you drop on you or what. But then I bag a talking thing and I bag a chasing thing over Macka and Ray. Because you, if you know where you are now, you understand? When a business we don't know. So you turn on a roll. I mean, say, yo, you're not a deal. I never get in between that. If you try, if you find out nothing. You see me? Anything she tell me about you, I never come on social media and I discuss that because I don't care about that, brother. People just talk things and then they figure it and we just move on with our life. So right now, a new brand here. I mean, then I waste problem and a little illusion problem thing, but now I'm going nowhere. See me? So if I spit a lyrics, you just spit a lyrics then, and when you say lyrics, why? I mean, I'm not tracing thing and I talk about something when don't make no sense right now. You see me? I say, I'm a thing me I deal with, but then I have problem with people. You hear me? Told in you. I'm not a cricketer, I won't be bold in you. You see me? So nobody come try draw me in your negativity. You see me? I say, Dan, so work out your thing with the woman and you know good. I don't hate you, I don't have you up. I don't know nothing about your general. You see me? I can't come and talk nothing because when I watch some little petty thing and some little thing. You understand? But everything up. And you and I just work out no difference and don't come mix me up. I'm going to call my sister for life. I mean, I come between you and her. Because I don't know, say, you and her in a different thing. You understand? So nobody make me get mad. You hear me say? So you know what lyrics I don't want to deal with. I never got chatting thing. You see me? And what do Macka diamond panty shield? I talk up some bumbuckler things when not real. Call up bad man, you could have with the punk they feel. Me we make shot yam him like a ton corn meal. Boom!
Yo, people, me not gonna tell no lie still. That right there, so if me never know what a diss was, me know say that right there is a diss. The man say, Spotlight is like Macka diamond panty shield. Yo, Mafia, you never have said that, Mafia, me not lie. But people, anyway, me done with this, you know, wanna talk to me down in the comment section. I want to hear your opinion on this. One question I want to ask you, pertaining to one thing where Dan Mafia said though. Dan Mafia say, when a man and a woman in a relationship and them have them pillow talk, them conversation, them private conversation, when you break up and you come and talk up everything where the woman ever tell you, isn't that mama man actions? More uno talk to me down in the comment section. Real man do them thing there? Me just curious. Uno tell me. But you do something. And next thing, Dan Mafia lyrical, you know. And Mafia say, yo, my youth, if you go call me name, no call me name that way there. Sing song off of me, a lyrical clash me deal with. Me not feel like Spotlight can really stand up to Dan Mafia still. Just my opinion. What uno think? Talk to me down below too. More want to know what uno think about this. Alright, watch out man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.